Okay, so Ria, let's proceed ahead with your HR snap for IUCL, right? And you are appearing for a campus placement of IUCL.
Yes,
So very
sir.
brief introduction from your side, Ria.
Okay, sir. My name is Riya Mishra, and I am from Madhubani, Bihar. And I have recently completed my BTech in Computer Science and Engineering from Thapar Institute of Engineering and Technology. Apart from that, I have done my internship as a business analyst in Shapeman Technologies Private Limited. And moving forward with my projects, I have done one major project that was based upon smart alarm clock, and one was based upon artificial intelligence and machine learning. So and moving towards my hobbies, I do reflective writing, and also I like to read books, and currently I'm reading one book that is Think and Grow Rich. I also like to do some volunteering and blogging in my free time. That's all.
Okay,
Thank you.
so Ria, being computer graduate, computer science graduate, why you are interested in public sector like IUCL? Why not private sector jobs?
Yes, sir. So, sir, as much like as I have done my internship in public sector, sorry, in private sector. So I am now like in a position to compare jobs between like the kind of jobs I'll be getting in private sector and the kind of salary or prestige I'll be getting in IOCL or a PSU. So I think there is no match in both of them. So that's why I
So
want
you
to
have some
apply
exposure
for
of
that.
PSU jobs. You have some
No,
exposure of PSU.
I have exposure of private firms. So I think
How can you compare if you don't have exposure of public PSU?
sir, like as I have heard from people, and also I have read as much I have read, and as much I can apply my knowledge, and I can compare between the perks and of both private and public sector. I think the jobs in public sector is more stable. I'll get a more stable life, and also I'll get a prestigious job. That is one of the major reasons. If I'll compare the salary and the growth, I think I'd be able to get that that in
So let me ask you, Ria. You have mentioned your profile as business analyst. You have done some training, right?
yes, sir.
So in IUCL also we have different domains of activities. Which
Yes,
domain
sir.
would you like to work? Would you like to work as a marketing or business analyst?
Sir, as I have some exposure of working as a business analyst, and I had done several two internships in this domain. So I think I would be more comfortable with it. But whatever job profile the company would provide me, I think I would be able to like excel in that, and I would get a lot of opportunities to learn. So I think that would be the thing, like I can obviously excel
Y-
in the field.
What do you mean by reflective writing?
Reflective writing is like whenever I think like I am taking any rational decision or any decision I'm taking, so I just note it down somewhere, and after a few days, like after a month, or when the phase actually passes, I come back to that writing and I think that how rationally and what was my thought process at that time, and how rationally I took a decision, and what was my learning from that decision.
So how it is different from your creative writing?
Sir, when I talk about creative writing, sir, it's it's something related to like how my mind works and how creatively I can think of about something. But when I talk about reflective writing, sir, it is basically my life learnings that I actually apply, so that I can learn from my past mistakes or my past learnings, and I can utilize that learning in my future.
Okay, you are reading the book of Rich Dad Poor Dad. That is what you said.
No, no, sir. Think and grow rich.
Okay, Think and Grow Rich. Can you summarize the learning of this entire book in 2 lines?
Yes, sir. Sir, this particular book actually gives us the knowledge that how we can. It's not about like how we are thinking and how we are. it's not about monetary, richness. It's about how your thought, how your subconscious mind actually takes things, and how you can, if you'll think that you want to achieve something, how your thought process would take you to that, to that success, to become so successful, and whatever do you want to achieve,
Okay,
how
so
you'll.
Ria, daydreaming is good thing or bad thing?
Daydreaming. Sir, I think, sir, I think dreams are,
Daydreamer also think very rich, but they never grow rich.
sir, I personally feel, if you would allow me to go some philosophical in this direction, I would just say that, sir, it is very important that a person dreams, and if a person dreams, I think he has some, like, there is some medical sciences associated to this, that if a person wants to do something, then only that thought process, or that thinking or dreaming things comes into mind. So I think that is one of the things. But yes, if so, just thinking and dreaming is not that would lead you to somewhere, but obviously you have to work in that direction, because just hoping is not.
Okay, so Ria, let me give you the feedback now. See, learn everything about IOCL. Just go through the website and learn everything about IOCL. Maybe we have made a document also of IOCL. Prepare that well. Go through that, and then whatever you say, like if you say Madhubani in Bihar, they're going to ask you question from there. If you say I'm reading this book, they're going to ask you question from that. Why IOCL? That question is going to pop up. So you have to say, sir, it's a very prestigious job. No doubt, salary in private sector can be more. So don't say salary in private sector can be less, because salary in private sector can be very very high for you. So say maybe salary is not the only thing, sir, I'm targeting. Salary is one part of the entire job satisfaction. So other than salary, it is the you should have time for yourself also. It has to be balanced of your professional life and personal life. That thing is required. And prestigious jobs, this is also the jobs are very prestigious, so that is also one of the reasons. And for that I want to get into this. And maybe you can mention some role model, maybe your family member or your relatives or your friends. You can mention some role model. That's sir, I also have a role model. I saw somebody working there, and I found the job satisfaction in him, and that from there also I decided to. And moreover, sir, in my college, this is one of the most sought after company. I've seen my seniors preparing for this company when it comes, and they're talking high about this company. That also is one of the factors I'm thinking of getting into this IUCN. It's a big name, prestigious job, stable job, and many factors like that. Got it?
Yes.
They want to know why you want it. That is the most important thing for that. If I am recruiting you, I would like to know, Ria, why you want to come to me, why you want to come to my this company, and what do you like in our job. That is the most important part.
Yes, sir.
Got it? Prepare on that. I think you have the points, you have the other things you can justify, you know that.
Yes, sir. And sir, I just wanted to know that, like in the whatever date would be of the interview, sir, like there would be more HR questions or like technical questions, or what would be the ratio? Like, can you give me a
See, I think it will be 50-50%, 50-60% will be HR only. टेक्निकली उनको पता होता है, बिकॉज आपका सीजीपी होता है, और आप जिस कॉलेज में आप हैं, तो उस कॉलेज के बच्चों का उनको नॉलेज होता है टेक्निकली, और उनको टेक्निकल से ज्यादा होता भी नहीं मीनिंग, वो एचआर देखते हैं बहुत ज्यादा. एचआर की व्हाई शी वांट्स टू कम टू अवर कंपनी and whether she'll be asset for. So HR is something which they focus more.
all right, sir. Sir, so we will be having HR into snaps daily.
We have daily, but I don't suggest you to have it daily unless until you have very less time left.
Yes,
You go after 2-3 days. After 2-3 days you go for HR.
all
Prepare
right.
well and go for 2-3 days. और वो जीडी का तैयारी करो रिया, जो आपको टॉपिक्स दे रखे, राइट?
यस सर, मैं वो अभी देख लेती हूँ उसमें.